Hey folks, back on E-Flite RC out here at the Avon Park Field. We're going to take up the Habu 50mm Habu SS. I got the easy lights installed because we get a little bit of low lighting. This little plane disappears really fast. So right aileron, left aileron, up elevator, down elevator. I only have one rate, and that is 100% throws over 10% expo. Well, you can see them lights good.
AS3X mode.
I wonder what was going on there. Had safe on. And I know y'all would probably like to do. I'll tell you what I'll do, folks. I will. Safe's back on. Okay, safe is on. She's flying with safe on now, folks. So let's see if I can land with safe. Because I'll be honest, once you get used to not having safe, it's almost like starting over. I think I'm too close. Let me get too hot, too high. Let's go around. Get a little further out. Not so far out though into the power lines. Y'all know about me and power lines. Get a little better lined up better with the runway here. Maybe actually get her up on the runway. There, she landed in safe, took off in safe, so safe's off. There, safe is definitely not on. Quite aerobatic for such a little thing. Them lights right now are absolutely essential. You start getting a low, especially right now, a silhouette. She just looks black. Now, will she land? Now that was stupid. That was my fault, folks. Let the wind get underneath that wing. But you gotta remember, this plane maybe weighs 1.5 pounds, maybe. And that EPO foam is quite dense. So just be little scuff marks here and there. Be very simple to repair. Getting windy though, getting awfully windy. Yeah, I like where I've got the 1800 milliamp 3S back about as far as I dare get her. Basically, it's all the way back. All right, get my rudder to correct. There. Yeah, remember folks, she's so light. So just the littlest bit of wind. Just the littlest bit of wind will make her move very drastically. This is really a 5 mile an hour or under plane, as far as if you really want to do anything precision and do a really good landing. And you need your wind to be right down the runway, if you can. I mean, you can't control the weather, but. And she bounces. Let's see if we can't do that again without the 3-foot bounce. Oh, it gave me a warning. I don't know what that was about. Probably signal. Yeah, it didn't like something there. Let me check it out real quick.
Motor off.
Make sure something didn't get jostled around in there. Oh, everything seems to be right where it's supposed to be. And see, just a little bit of scuff on the end of them wings. And she's fine.
Motor off.
Whoa! Windy! Like I said, she's very light, very small, and it's a little windy for that small of a plane. But I'm out here anyways. There, finally got a good landing out of her. You know, I couldn't leave it on that. I gotta have a good landing. All right, motor off. Let's check for damage again. Everything's nice and solid. All my control surfaces are tight. No rips in the foam. Let me turn the motor back on. Ah, the breeze. Ah, she's fine. All right, and the steering's fine. Yep, steering's fine. All right, folks, well, there you go. That is the E-Flite Habu SS 50mm EDF little jet, little fun rascal. I think I might just name this plane Rascal. All right, folks, y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh yeah, how much life do we have on the battery? Let's, before we go signing off here, because it's got all this fancy technology. Let's see what we got. Oh wait, I'm stupid. I forgot. I got a stupid battery, and I'm a stupid pilot, I guess. I forgot all about it, so I can't tell you how much is on the battery without manually checking it. All right, y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Faith, family, and friends, and them planes. Bye, y'all.